This is part 2 of our discussion on the Tagalog enclitic particle kaya. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. Let's pick up from where we left off in our discussion on the Tagalog enclitic particle kaya, which means perhaps, I wonder, what do you suppose, what do you think, what if, thus, that's why. In the last video, I discussed the many uses of the particle kaya, including these: in making a simple suggestion, in suggesting an action to be taken, in wondering about an action to take or have been taken, in stating a fact about an action that someone may have missed, and in wondering about the answer to a question. I'd like to go back to these three. In my examples in the last video, I covered sentences that start with the subject. You must all know by now that Tagalog sentence structure and word order is flexible. This time, let me give you sample sentences where the verb comes first before the subject. Let's listen to this one. In suggesting an action to be taken. Magluto ka kaya? What if you cook? The next one is in wondering about an action to take or have been taken. Magluluto ka kaya? I wonder if you will cook. Now, let's go to the next use. In stating a fact about an action that someone may have missed. Nagluto ka kaya? You did cook. You may not have remembered that. Ayos ba? So far, so good? Now, let's run through the rest of the sample sentences. Here goes. Maligo ka kaya? What if you take a bath? Maliligo ka kaya? I wonder if you will take a bath. Naligo ka kaya? You did take a bath, if you remember. Please note that in this structure, the second person singular pronoun ka comes first before the particle kaya. For the rest of the pronouns, the order is in reverse. Let's take a look. Sumagot kaya ako? What if I reply? Sasagot kaya ako? I wonder if I should reply. Sumagot kaya ako? I did reply, if you remember. Sumulat kaya ako? What if I write a letter? Susulat kaya ako? I wonder if I should write a letter. Sumulat kaya ako? I did write a letter, if you remember. Tumulong kaya tayo? What if we help? Tutulong kaya tayo? I wonder if we should help. Tumulong kaya tayo? We did help, if you remember. Lumaban kaya kami? What if we fight? Lalaban kaya kami? I wonder if we should fight. Lumaban kaya kami? We did fight, if you remember. Umalis kaya kayo? What if you all leave? Aalis kaya kayo? I wonder if you all will leave. Umalis kaya kayo? You all did leave, if you remember. Tumahimik kaya siya? What if he or she keep quiet? Tatahimik kaya siya? I wonder if he or she will keep quiet. Tumahimik kaya siya? He or she did keep quiet, if you remember. Makinig kaya sila? What if they listen? Makikinig kaya sila? I wonder if they will listen. Nakinig kaya sila? They did listen, if you remember. Ayos ba? Now, let's talk about more uses of the particle kaya. These are wondering about the presence of something, wondering about something not yet seen or experienced, and showing the effect in a cause and effect sentence. Let's have a look at wondering about the presence of something. Here are our examples using demonstrative pronouns. Ito kaya? Do you suppose this is it? Iyan kaya? Do you suppose that is it? Iyon kaya? Do you suppose that over there is it? Dito kaya? Do you suppose it's here? Diyan kaya? Do you suppose it's there? Doon kaya? Do you suppose it's over there? Nandito kaya? Do you suppose it's in here? Nandiyan kaya? Do you suppose it's in there? Nandoon kaya? Do you suppose it's in over there? Heto kaya? Do you suppose it's this one? Ayan kaya? Do you suppose it's that one? Ayun kaya? Do you suppose it's that one over there? Ganito kaya? Do you suppose it's like this? Ganiyan kaya? Do you suppose it's like that? Ganoon kaya? Do you suppose it's like that over there? Cool? Next up is wondering about something not yet seen or experienced. Here goes. Mahal kaya? I wonder if it's expensive. Mura kaya? I wonder if it's cheap. Pangit kaya? I wonder if it's ugly. Maganda kaya? I wonder if it's beautiful. I wonder if it's pretty. Malaki kaya? I wonder if it's big. Maliit kaya? I wonder if it's small. Mabilis kaya? I wonder if it's fast. Mabagal kaya? I wonder if it's slow. Luma kaya? I wonder if it's old. Bago kaya? I wonder if it's new. Pula kaya? I wonder if it's red. Azul kaya? I wonder if it's blue. Kaya kaya? I wonder if it's possible. I wonder if it's doable. Ayos ba? So if you're liking this video so far, please hit the like button because that will help in growing this channel. All right? Now, let's talk about the next usage in showing the effect in a cause and effect sentence. Here goes. Sweldo na, kaya masaya ako. It's already payday, that's why I am happy. Linggo ngayon, kaya sisimba ka. It's Sunday today, that's why you will go to church. May pera ako, kaya mamimili tayo. I have money, that's why we will go shopping. May problema ka, kaya tutulong kami. You have a problem, that's why we will help. Gabi na, kaya umuwi na kayo. It's already evening, that's why you should all go home now. Bagsak siya sa exam, kaya malungkot siya. He or she failed the exam, that's why he or she is sad. Kumulog kanina, kaya natakot sila. There was a thunderstorm a while ago, that's why they got scared. There you have it. We have just finished discussing the uses of the enclitic particle kaya. There are definitely more, but I hope our examples in this video and in the last video can help you get started in understanding how kaya is used. But before I end this session, here are some random uses of the enclitic particle kaya. Here goes. Kaya lang, however. See how kaya is combined with the enclitic particle lang? Translated word for word, the combination doesn't make any sense. But this is how we say however in Tagalog. Here's more. Oo kaya? Yes, it is. Hindi kaya? No, it's not. Tama kaya? Do you suppose it's correct? Pwede kaya? Do you suppose it's possible? Cool? Now, here's two more that defies conventional translation. Kaya pala. So that's why. Kaya nga. That's what I'm saying. See? Tagalog is never boring. And with that, I hope to see you next time as we continue learning about the Tagalog enclitic particles. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.